Hey guys, welcome back to our another tutorial video. So in today's following video I'm going to walk you through how to use Lemon8 app on a device. So to know more about this and explore each features, you need to watch this video till the very end. Let's get started. As I have already said, Lemon8 app is a lifestyle content sharing app for fashion, beauty, travel and wellness, and it's kind of similar to Instagram and Pinterest, and it is owned by ByteDance, that is TikTok parent company. It is powered by TikTok, so it's similar to that, and it's popular for aesthetic blog style posts. And to use this app you need to make sure that you have downloaded in your device. If not, then you can just download this app from App Store or Play Store, and after that you can just sign up to your account. And as we know that this app is powered by TikTok, and so that you can just directly connect to your TikTok account and make the same account in this Lemon8 app too. So, and also important note is this app is not available everywhere in the world, so make sure your region have this app available, and if not, then you can just use a VPN mode and connect to this device. So safety is in your own hand. And after connecting to Lemon8, and you can create an account, and after creating an account you can just customize your profile by adding a username, profile picture and bio, and you can just explore and discover content. And you can just categorize, like post in different category like fashion, beauty, food, travel and wellness. You can also like, comment and share this post in this app, and you can also save the post for later. So you can also create and post your content, like you can also upload your photos or videos. Like there will be the option, this plus icon. After tapping on this plus icon you will be able to select your photos or videos or make new content and post it in this app. And you can also use your own caption, you can also use your own hashtags and everything. You can also use hashtag which have more people, and you can publish your post and share it with your audience. And one more feature, it's very similar to TikTok, like you can also follow and interact with your favorite creators, and you can also monetize and grow, like you can grow your account. So to grow your account you just need to post consistently and use the trending hashtag to gain followers. And Lemon8 may offer brand partnership or create reward like TikTok. So Lemon8 is a great platform if you love aesthetic visuals, vlogging and lifestyle inspiration. So let me know if you need more details about it in our comment section below. That's it. If this video helped you, do make sure to like and subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon of our channel so that you won't be missed out on our upcoming videos. Thank you.